Algebra 2 Worksheet 31.1 on the back. I'm going to do numbers 22 and 23. They both have to do with percentages, but they're going to be a little bit different how you set each one up. Number 22. Tina has a chemistry test tomorrow, but she is only 70% sure she will pass it. So if she passes the test, there's a 95% chance she'll have to drop the class. If she doesn't pass the test, there's a 20% chance she'll have to drop the class. What is the probability that Tina drops her chemistry class? This is now where we're using our tree diagram. I'm going to use the circles to represent two parts of the tree. Zoom out a little bit so we can see it better. And at the top of the tree is just dealing with passing the test. 70% sure she'll pass. So I'm going to put pass and fail. 70% sure pass means 0.7 there for pass, which means the percentage for failing would be 0.3. These have to add up to one whole. 100% minus 70% gives me 30%, so 0.3 down. If she passes, so now we're on this side, she is 95% sure, 0.95, that she will have to drop the class, which means I'm going to put ND for not dropping would be 0.05, 100% minus the 95%. 5% is 0.05. If she doesn't pass the test, fail, there is a 20% chance she'll have to drop the class. And now on this side, with dropping 0.2, not dropping would be 0.8. What is the probability that Tina drops her chemistry class? So now we're looking at finding two probabilities. Oops. Dropping here, dropping here. To get each one, we're taking our two probabilities and multiplying them. 0.7 times 0.95 gives us 0.665. 0.3 times 0.2 gives us 0.06. To get our total probability for the two drops, we're adding those two, 0.665 plus 0.06, which is 0.725. So our probability that she drops the class is 72.5%. Now number 23, a little bit different. We still have percentages again, but it's a little bit easier. 23 says Gene is going on a whale watching trip. I bet he's going to have a whale every time. The boat's captain assures the passengers that there is a 40% chance that they will see a pod of dolphins and a 90% chance that they will see at least one whale. What is the probability that Gene sees neither of these things on his trip? So neither of these things will not happen. The first probability was 40% chance that they'll see the pod of dolphins. So if we're looking for the probability that they don't see the pod of dolphins, 100% minus 40% gives us 60%, which is 0.6. Then they have a 90% chance that they'll see at least one whale. The chance of not seeing the whale would be 100% minus that 90, which is 10%, which is just 0.1. So this one, there's only one way this is going to happen. This is these two probabilities together, so we only have to multiply once. Number 22, we had to multiply twice. Here it's just multiplying 0.6 times 0.1, which is 0.06, which is a 6% chance.